What's up, guys? We're on the way to Austin's. Yes, my hair is braided. I know my girlfriend did it. It's messy because my windows are down because it's finally nice out here for once. So yeah, basically on my way to Austin's. The car's been there. I will show you guys how I removed all the sound deadening stuff. I already did it yesterday, but today it's like super nice, so I'm gonna go down today. What's up, guys? I'm almost to this house, but this house that they're building right here is sick as hell. This thing is like so nice. Look at the garage on this thing. Jesus. I wish someday. But yeah, like 5 minutes away from his house. Sadly, Allison couldn't come. She wasn't feeling super great, so she stayed home and watched some movies. So yeah, but I'm almost there. Yay! What's up, guys? Just got to Austin's. This is the stuff that I use to remove most of it. Compressed gas, duster, instant dust removal. I'll show you how you do it. But yeah, I've got most of it off. But yeah, yesterday I just hit it quick just to get the majority of it, but it looks a lot better now. So yeah, but then I'm gonna strip all the rest of the carpet out and take the center console out and get that chair out hopefully. So yeah. So this is how it works. You take it, it says do not shake, and you have to hold upright. So if you shake it and hold it upside down, wear a mask and it freezes just like that. But yeah, don't breathe it in because it's very cancerous. But see how it froze it? Yeah, just duster stuff you can buy it at Walmart. Shake it, hold it upside down, or don't shake it, doesn't really matter. Pull the trigger and she freezes. That's what I've been doing. I used the dead blow, but now there's just a bunch of little stuff that I gotta get out, so I've just been using a screwdriver. So yeah, this stuff is like... Austin, say hi, buddy. So we've been bondoing those big dents or whatever, and he's primering it right now. So I'm just letting the bondo dry, and then I'll fill this in more, and then I can sand it down again. And I wire wheeled the inside from all the sound deadening and like the sticky shit that was on there. I just wire wheeled it because, are we painting this? Or are we just gonna spray paint it? Painting. We're painting this. Are we gonna prime it or just paint it and say fuck it? Okay, so we're just gonna paint that. But the windows are taped and the wheels are covered and the front windshield's taped. I just have to do the rear hatch. But yeah, but we're waiting to move it in to the shop because his sick ass show car's in here. Right, buddy? Because it's 240s in here. We have to put the brakes, or the front rotors and hub and brakes, everything back on. And I'm letting him borrow my steelies for now to move it around because he doesn't want to put his 3-piece wheels on yet because it's got to go get painted at our buddy AJ's. But we're going to paint mine right in here in this little shop. So, and this is all the paint stuff that I got. You can't see what color this is yet. I'll show you, but it's pretty nice. So yeah, we got some work to do. I've been here since 11. It's now like 4 o'clock almost. We cleaned out his other garage, and yeah, so I'm gonna keep bondoing and then I'll update you and I start sanding that down. What's up, guys? I just took the rear bumper off because I'm not gonna need it anyway. They're using the drill to do the hole for the rerouting the battery lines and whatnot. So I'm gonna tape off this rear window quick, and then after they're done with the drill, I'm gonna use this to sand it. Sand that, sand this, and then should be done. And then we can prime the rest of it and get the first coat on tonight, hopefully, if we can get his 240 out. They're working on, they're finishing up the angle kit and turbo's drilling the holes for the ground wire. So I'm just gonna tape this quick, get all this shit off my car, and then should be Gucci. All done, guys. This is all taped off and this is all smooth now. I'm honestly pretty impressed with how well I did for never using bondo in my life before. This one, it's still pretty dented, but I'll live. I don't really have time to do it or care to do it. This is all really smooth. Filled this hole pretty nice. Won't even be able to tell it's there. It was there, but I think that looks pretty damn close. I mean, no, it's not perfect, but like it's better than what it was. So I'm gonna go in and help them. It's getting kind of late. They just closed the bay so that and turn the heater on. So I'm gonna go in there and help them finish up the battery cable and the what do you call it? What is he doing? Oh, the steering angle kit on it, so that we can move his car out of there and into there, and then move his cutlass into there as well, and then we can push this into there and get it painted. So pretty excited. Gonna get the first coat of paint tonight. If I don't know, I'm not gonna show you guys yet, but it's gonna look sick. You guys are gonna be impressed. I think it's gonna look like a totally different car. So everything's all cleaned off. Just gotta go in. Once we get it in, we gotta wash this all down with some cloths and whatnot, some wet cloths, and then primer the rest of it, and then hopefully paint it. Just one coat tonight, and then we'll do the rest tomorrow or whenever we get to it. But yeah, so hope you're enjoying so far. It's been kind of weird. I've just been trying to work. Like I said, I've been here since like 11, and now it's, I think it's like almost 6. So, and I haven't ate since 11. So, but Austin's girlfriend's coming back with food here pretty soon. I think around 8 or so. So that'll be nice. What's up, guys? It's pretty late, but we were able to move his 240 in there finally, and we finally started painting this. So yeah, this will be in black and white, but yeah, super stoked. We just did the first base coat and primer and everything. Tomorrow I'm gonna come back out here. We gotta sand a little more in a couple spots that came out a little imperfect and whatnot, and lay the other 2 coats and clear coat down, and should be done tomorrow. And then we'll just have to let it dry for a little bit. But yeah, it's looking pretty good so far. And big thank you to Austin for helping me with this. I really appreciate it. I mean, and I don't want anyone to be like, oh, this is gonna be like perfect, like professional. Like, no, like keep in mind we did this like at his house with what we have, and not like what a shop has. So it's not gonna be perfect, but it's gonna be a lot better than it was before. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's probably all over the place, but thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and like.